Welcome to
Fantasy.
We need to assemble crane truck.
Yay!
Done! Overcome the obstacles together with the car.
Yay!
Tap on all the objects to clear the way. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. You're doing really great. Let's install the roof. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Crane truck.
Yay! Yay!
Ready. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Hooray! We need to assemble drop side truck. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck.
Yay!
Press the pump. Done. Let's finish the walls.
Yay!
Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Drop side truck.
Yay!
You're doing really great. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Ready. We need to assemble. Bucket lift. You're doing really great. Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. Amazing! We need to protect the house from foul weather. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go! The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. We did it!